How much time does an allotment take? A great question. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and welcome to this series of episodes where we're talking about getting started with an allotment and how to get started and where to get started. So if you've not checked out the previous videos, go and check them out, because we're posting lots of these videos to give you tips and advice on getting started with an allotment. So how much time does an allotment take? That is a very good question, which is hard to answer, to be honest, because I class an allotment as a full-time job. You don't realise how much time and effort does need to go into looking after an allotment. If you've got a big one, it certainly does take a lot of time, and I do this on my own, and I spend all weekends down here, and I don't feel that's enough time, to be honest, half of the time, as you could do with coming every single night, because during the winter months, yeah, it's a good time to start clearing down your plots, tidying them all up, getting them all ready. You haven't got any weeds growing, you've not got no watering of plants to do, but you can manage through the winter months. But in the summer months, when all the weeds start popping through, trying to keep them down is a nightmare, and going around watering every single day when it's in hot weather is another chore which I don't like. I absolutely hate watering. So it does take a lot of time to look after an allotment. Obviously, you see online people posting pictures of an amazing allotment and all the produce, what they've produced, but you don't realise how much time goes into producing it. And like I said, it is like a full-time job. If I could spend all the time down here that I would, it'd probably still look a mess because it's that much of a hard job to do. But I'd recommend at least spending half an hour each day down at the allotments, try and keep on top of it, and then spending a few hours down at the weekend as well to get any hard work done that needs to be done, and trying to find time as well around your busy social life or around work can be difficult as well when you're looking after an allotment. And that's one of the reasons why I haven't got chickens as well, because I wouldn't have the time to be able to come down and look after them every single day, and as well as my allotment, it would take a lot of time. So if you've got somebody that can help you do your allotment as well, that is a bonus. But to be honest, I prefer being down here on the allotment on my own, spending time down here, enjoying the birds, the wildlife, looking around, seeing the hard work that I've done, and then it makes me proud that I've done it all by myself as well, and the outcome that I've got. So does an allotment take a long time to look after? Yes, it does, and you have to really think about if you've got the time to do an allotment and the size of the plot that you actually want to take on to get it started. So that's been today's episode. I hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure you do check out all the other episodes. So until next time, everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.